To determine if you can pay on Temu with SadaPay in 2025, let's explore the payment options available on Temu and the functionality of SadaPay. Temu is an e-commerce platform that offers various payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and other digital payment services. SadaPay, on the other hand, is a digital wallet that allows users to make transactions online. To check if SadaPay is a viable payment option on Temu, you should first verify if Temu supports SadaPay as a payment method. You can do this by visiting the Temu website, proceeding to the checkout page, and reviewing the list of available payment options. If SadaPay is listed as an option, you can select it and follow the prompts to complete your payment. You will be redirected to the SadaPay website to authenticate the transaction. If SadaPay is not listed, you may want to consider alternative payment methods or contact Temu's customer support to inquire about potential future integration. It is essential to note that payment options can vary depending on your location, so it's crucial to check the availability of SadaPay in your region. Additionally, ensure your SadaPay account is funded and active to avoid any transaction issues. In summary, to pay on Temu with SadaPay in 2025, you should check Temu's payment options, verify SadaPay's availability, and ensure your SadaPay account is active and funded. By following these steps, you can determine if SadaPay is a suitable payment method for your transactions on Temu.